Moving on to step 5. Push your content onto Instagram. Once your accounts are in the right niche, the platform will automatically show your content to people with similar interests. Prepare videos about your products and add suitable hashtags. Upload them across many accounts to increase reach. Try to maintain 1 to 2 videos per day. After posting, you will seed your content. That means using accounts to view, like, and comment on your posts. You can also send bulk direct messages to customers or interact with their posts to grab attention. This way, your products and services appear in front of them naturally. Step number 6 is scaling and expanding. Once your initial accounts are stable, you can duplicate more lists of accounts. This helps you increase reach, send more messages, and spread your content wider. All of this can be managed inside MKT Insta. The final step is measuring and optimizing results. Check whether customers follow back, whether your message reply rate is increasing, and compare your revenue with previous months. You can also track the number of views your supporting accounts generate for videos. That's the full plan I want to share with you today for attracting customers on Instagram. I will also post this plan on my blog so you can read it again there. That's the end of today's sharing about the MKT Insta sales plan. If you're interested in this Instagram bot, check out other videos on my channel, or send me a direct message via Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next videos.